Greetings, curious minds, and welcome to our channel where we explore the wonders of our universe. Today, we're venturing into the realm of the seemingly impossible, contemplating a concept straight out of science fiction. Imagine an elevator, not one that simply takes you to the top floor of a skyscraper, but one that extends beyond our atmosphere into the cosmos. A space elevator sounds mind-boggling, doesn't it? So strap in as we ascend towards the stars and explore the possibility of a space elevator. Imagine, if you will, stepping into an elevator, pressing a button, and being whisked away into outer space. Let's break down this fantastical concept. A space elevator, in its simplest form, is a large-scale construction project. It's essentially a massive cable with one end anchored to the Earth and the other extending into the cosmos. Attached to this cable, a series of elevator cars powered by solar energy would climb their way into the heavens. Now, why would we want to build such a thing? Well, there are a few compelling reasons. First, cost. Traditional rocket launches are expensive to the tune of tens of thousands of dollars per kilogram. This is primarily due to the sheer amount of energy required to break free of Earth's gravity. A space elevator, in contrast, could potentially reduce these costs significantly, making space exploration and even colonization a more economically feasible prospect. Second, risk. Launching a rocket is a precarious endeavor with numerous variables that could lead to catastrophic failure. A space elevator, while certainly not without its own set of challenges, could provide a safer, more controlled method of reaching space. And lastly, accessibility. Today, the privilege of space travel is reserved for a select few highly trained astronauts. A space elevator could democratize access to the stars, opening up a world of possibilities for research, tourism, and maybe one day even living among the stars. Of course, this is all purely theoretical at this point. The engineering challenges involved in constructing a space elevator are immense, not to mention the legal and political hurdles. But just for a moment, imagine a world where a trip to space was as simple as stepping into an elevator and pressing a button. Sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? But could it really become a reality? Let's delve deeper. Building a space elevator is not as simple as extending an earthbound lift into space. There are numerous challenges to overcome. Let's delve into some of these intricate hurdles. One of the most significant challenges lies in the material required to construct the elevator's tether. It's not just about having a strong material. It has to be extraordinarily strong, yet lightweight. The tether needs to withstand the enormous stresses and strains from the Earth's rotation and the gravity's pull, while also being light enough not to collapse under its own weight. Currently, no known material possesses these properties. Another significant challenge is the risk from space debris. The space around our planet is filled with millions of pieces of junk. Spent rocket stages, defunct satellites, and fragments from disintegrations and collisions. Even a small piece of debris traveling at high speed can cause significant damage. A space elevator would present a large and vulnerable target for these fast-moving fragments. Then there's the issue of powering the elevator. A conventional power cord certainly won't do. The energy needs of a space elevator would be enormous. We would need a method of transmitting power wirelessly over vast distances. Current wireless power transmission technologies are in their infancy and are not yet capable of meeting these demands. We also can't forget about the political and legal challenges. Who would have jurisdiction over a space elevator? How would we ensure it's used responsibly and doesn't become a tool for warfare or terrorism? These challenges may seem daunting, but that hasn't stopped scientists and engineers from exploring potential solutions. After all, every great achievement in human history was once considered impossible. So, while the dream of a space elevator is currently tethered by these challenges, the future may hold surprises as we continue to push the boundaries of our technological capabilities. Despite the challenges, the dream of a space elevator is far from dead. In fact, it's very much alive and kicking. So, let's explore some potential solutions to the challenges we've discussed. One of the most promising advancements is the development of new materials. Carbon nanotubes, for instance, are being hailed as the lifeline of future space elevators. These tubes, made from sheets of carbon atoms, are about 100 times stronger than steel, but only 1/6 the weight. Imagine a material so strong it could withstand the immense tension a space elevator cable would experience. But we're not just talking about strength here, we're talking about length too. The longest carbon nanotube ever produced is still less than 2 meters. A far cry from the tens of thousands of kilometers we'd need for a space elevator. But scientists are not deterred. They're tirelessly working on ways to weave these nanotubes together to create long, unbroken strands. Next up, let's talk about space debris. Remember those pesky bits of metal whizzing around our planet? Well, we can't just wish them away. We need smart engineering solutions. One idea is to equip the elevator with sensors and thrusters. If a piece of debris comes hurtling towards the elevator, the sensors would detect it, and the thrusters would nudge the elevator out of harm's way. Powering the elevator is another challenge that has gotten scientists scratching their heads. One creative solution being considered is to use laser beams or microwaves to wirelessly transmit energy to the elevator. This could eliminate the need for heavy batteries or power lines. While we don't have all the solutions yet, the progress made so far is promising. And as we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, who knows, we might just find ourselves stepping into a space elevator in our lifetime. The universe, after all, is full of surprises. Let's keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep reaching for the stars. Because in the end, isn't that what makes us human? The concept of a space elevator is thrilling, but is it just a pipe dream, or could it be the future of space travel? Imagine, if you will, a world where reaching space is as simple as stepping into an elevator and pressing a button. A world where the heavens are not just for the elite astronauts, but accessible to all. This is the potential future that space elevators could usher in. An operational space elevator could revolutionize our relationship with the cosmos. No longer would we have to rely on costly, resource-intensive rocket launches. Instead, we could simply ride a cable into the sky, a journey as unremarkable as a commute to work. The benefits of this are manifold. For one, the cost of sending cargo and people into space would plummet. No longer would we need to burn millions of dollars of fuel for each launch. Instead, the energy required would be minimal, making space travel more affordable and accessible. This could open up a plethora of opportunities. Perhaps we could construct more advanced space stations, fostering scientific research and technological development, or maybe we could mine asteroids for resources, providing a solution to the limited resources on Earth. Moreover, the advent of space elevators could democratize space travel. Space tourism could become a reality for the average person, not just billionaires. The wonders of the cosmos, from the moon's barren landscape to the mesmerizing swirl of distant galaxies, could be within our reach. Of course, the realization of space elevators is not without its challenges. Material strength, orbital mechanics, and safety considerations are just a few of the hurdles we need to overcome. But with the rapid pace of technological advancements, these challenges are not insurmountable. As we stand on the brink of a new era in space exploration, the possibilities are as boundless as space itself. It's a thrilling time to be alive as we gaze upwards and dream of what could be. The day we step into an elevator and press a button to space might not be as far off as we think. There you have it, a glimpse into the incredible possibility of a space elevator. We've journeyed through the concept, a tantalizing proposition that could revolutionize our relationship with the cosmos. It's a concept that feels as if it's been ripped straight from the pages of a science fiction novel, yet it's grounded in the real, albeit complex world of science and engineering. We've delved into the challenges, and they are indeed formidable. From the strength of materials needed to the potential hazards, it's clear that building a space elevator is no small feat. Yet, as we've seen, challenges often spark the brightest flames of innovation. We've also explored the potential solutions and advances that could bring this extraordinary vision to life. The promise of nanotechnology, the potential of space-grade materials, and the sheer determination of humanity to reach for the stars, all these factors give us hope. We've glimpsed the future, a future where space elevators could become a reality, a future where the cosmos is not just a distant twinkling backdrop, but a realm within our reach. So as we wrap up this cosmic journey, let's keep the conversation going. The realm of possibilities is as vast as space itself. Don't forget to hit that like button if you've enjoyed our journey to the stars. Subscribe to our channel for more exploration of the cosmos, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep reaching for the stars.